Hey everybody, welcome back to Zak Tech Reviews. On this channel we look at tech, mobile accessories, and gadgets. And something really cool I want to show you guys again. I'm a big fan of wireless charging. I'm also a big fan of portable power. I found this right here. It's from All Powers, what it is, and no fancy packaging, real simple here. This is a portable power unit, but it is also a wireless charger. Nothing else in here, some basic instructions, and a micro USB to USB for charging up. I have the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus here. You just put this on top, hit the power button on the side here, and should start charging just like that. So yes, you do have to hit the power button there to get it going. As you guys can see right here, charging wirelessly. So we're not gonna get fast wireless charging, but it is wireless charging. So again, I'm gonna take the device off. Again, this is a portable power bank and wireless charger all in one, just like that. So again, take it off, put it back on, and boom, just like that, starts wireless charging. So in addition, you're also going to get, looks like here, 2 USB outputs and a USB-C, as well as the micro USB. Now I know that you use this for charging the unit here. Let's test out these other plugins right here. So I have my favorite Anchor cables right here. This is a USB-A to USB-C. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in, see what kind of charging we get, and just regular charging, not fast charging at all. Alright, so that's USB-A to USB-C. Let's see what we get if we went USB-C to USB-C. Now you can see here, I'm not getting any charge at all with USB-C to USB-C, and that is because that this unit itself fast charges via USB-C. It's not dual, it doesn't go both ways. So you can recharge this with micro USB, again the cable's inside the box here, or USB-C to USB-A, or whatever block you have to charge this. Output of this is via USB-A to your cable there, or as I showed you before with the wireless charging, just pop it on top and it should start charging here as soon as you hit the power button, just like that. So pretty handy unit. I'm a little disappointed that this isn't two-way here. You can only recharge this unit with the USB-C. You cannot output with this with USB-C. I'm gonna keep on looking around for one, see if I can find one like that. But yeah, that's 8,000 milliamps. So you can see right here. Again, it is external power pack, and it also is a wireless charger. But you know what? I actually have an extra one right here. Would you like to win one? Tell you what, international giveaway anywhere in the world. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description here. It's gonna leave you to a retweet of my original Twitter post for this video here. All I want you to do is like that post and retweet it out to your followers there, and that will get you an entry into a contest to win this exact same wireless charger and portable power bank. So again, follow the link down below, retweet, like, and away you go. Anyway guys, there's a quick look here at a wireless charger and portable power bank all in one. If you guys like the content here, please leave a thumbs up. Think about hitting the subscribe button as well. And we'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Cheers.